Landwirt.com, the online marketplace for agriculture.
The Landwirt.com film crew is currently in Rangersdorf, Carinthia's Mölltal region, visiting Simon Weider. Hello, Simon. You sent us your project in response to our call for do-it-yourself projects, and it's a pretty cool device. What exactly did you build there together with your friend David?
Yes, what we built there is a saw splitter machine. That means we put the tree in at the back, and then the finished product is supposed to come out onto the trailer at the end. It should also cut, split, and be conveyed directly onto the trailer.
How does this work in detail, and how did you come up with the idea to build it?
Yes, the idea came to us while working because the work just took too long for me. So picking up the wood, lifting it and splitting it. That's simple, so we said we have to build something to make it go faster. It's simple for us, our hands shouldn't get dirty.
What exactly can the machine do now? So what are the individual steps until you have a log on the trailer?
The first step is to pick up the wood with the crane. Then it goes onto the roller conveyor, is automatically moved forward to the cutting point, depending on what you want to get. Whether you want 33, 50, 60 or meter-long logs, it's all done automatically. Then comes the cut, it drops down into the chute, gets split there, and then goes onto the conveyor belt and directly onto the trailer.
And you also have something else planned, right? Like with sensors, so that the machine will even be able to automatically detect the length, right?
Yes, it will already automatically detect the length, but it should also detect the log thickness, and the splitting wedge should move exactly into the center so that you get the perfect result for a perfect log.
Okay, so what did you need for this machine? Which components were used? Where did you get them from?
Yes, we needed everything. We needed a lot. It's just a crane which we bought on Landwirt.com. We got it relatively cheaply. It's a 1969 model. And then we bought the used blade and the saw. We handled the regulation and everything else ourselves in our heads during planning in the workshop where we fixed, blackened and made it. At first we wanted to do it alone with a 180 horsepower tractor, but we were right at the limit, so we said we needed a bigger tractor. Then we got a Fiat, also bought on Landwirt.com. We bought an 80 horsepower Fiat tractor so that it could power it. The tractor is rather at its limit. It could be bigger, but we said it's still within the budget.
Okay. Yes, about the budget. How much did it cost you in total, approximately?
So approximately, without the tractor, just the trailer alone, we're at about 30,000 to 35,000 euros. The trailer weighs about 3.5 tons based on what we experienced when lifting it by hand. Yes, and as for performance, we're trying to produce 6 cubic meters of wood per hour.
How long have you been using the machine without any problems now?
It's been in use without any problems for about a year now. Prior to that, it was simply tinkering, rebuilding and rechecking.
Yes, thank you so much, Simon, and also your colleague David. Thank you for the project and especially for sending it to Landwirt.com. If you also have a project at home that you've already completed, we look forward to receiving new project submissions, and we're always on the road in Austria and Germany. So send us your do-it-yourself projects and we'll be happy to come visit you.